see you. Welcome to our channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a overgrip. Okay? First, we will begin now. Okay? Stay tuned and keep watching. So number one, we keep the racket. We need to unwrap the grip. Okay? Let me just get it. Sticker. Okay, remove the sticker. Then you will find a top paper remover. Don't remove the big part because that's for later on. You put it somewhere where it's easy for you to take out. Oops. And you keep unwrapping. Okay. And you will find a bit of nylon, so I prefer you to remove it. And now you will find like a mini sticker on the slit bit, okay? See? Remove it. Now we begin. Stay tuned and see how we do the grip. Prefer to wrap the strap so that it doesn't bother you during wrapping, okay? And now we begin. So I prefer you to begin in the top corner, see? And you have to be a little bit tight so then it doesn't like be, it doesn't have air for the grip to fall down during the game, okay? So we wrap twice in the up, we wrap twice. You just wrap once. So you go once and then you go twice. No, you first go only in the middle, you go once, but in the bottom and top you go twice. Because you're going diagonally, you don't go diagonally twice.
Amazing job, Ali.
Thanks. You might find it tricky, but when you get used to it, it's very easy. You will feel proud of yourself. Trust me. Now we are reaching the bottom, okay? Let's reach the bottom. Now we reach the bottom. We go twice. See this bit? I have little left, right? I rip this part because I don't need it. Okay. And now we get, you see there is like a bit of hand. Now we go to the sticker. You place it in the, right in the end. See?